Okay, so I'm back and I thought of making a short series on advanced probability concepts. So I'm assuming basic knowledge of probability, that probability of an event occurrences, the total number of outcomes which are in favor of that event over the total number of outcomes in the whole sample space and all that basic definition So पहला मेन कॉन्सेप्ट है जो वो चालू करते हैं. तो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ. तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट हैं ये बेसिक हैं. अभी एडवांस थ्योरी जो पढ़ा हूँ उसकी तो मैं वो पढ़ाता हूँ. कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी ये कुछ नहीं होती. प्रोबेबिलिटी एक फंक्शन होता है काइंड ऑफ, जो आर्गुमेंट है और 0 से 1 क्लोज के रेंज में रहता है, ये पता होगा. ए की प्रोबेबिलिटी गिवन बी हैज़ अकर्ड, ये नोटेशन कुछ नहीं. ए की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी, मतलब बी अगर अकर हो गया तो इसकी जो प्रोबेबिलिटी पी है उस पर कैसे अफेक्ट करेगी. तो ये चेंज हो जाती है पी ए जब बी अकर हो जाता है इसमें. तो ये कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी है. तो इसकी बात करते हैं. ये कुछ नहीं होता. प्रोबेबिलिटी ए गिवन बी इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए एंड बी ओवर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी जो अकर हो चुका है. ऐसा हमने कैसे बोल दिया. बेसिकली प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए टोटल आउटकम फेवरेबल आउटकम ये होता है. पता होगा ये तो बेसिक है. अब ये सोचो कि कोई सैम्पल स्पेस है 1 से एक डायर रोल करा है. अभी ए इवेंट है 5 आने का, तो उसका फेवर में बस ये है ए का सैम्पल पॉइंट्स यहाँ हैं. एक है ऑड 1 3 5. द प्रोबेबिलिटी that the occurrence is an odd number is related to this event and its sample point is given by this set. This is the whole sample space and probability of the whole sample space is 1 and of phi is 0. That is basic. And generally a probability of an event which is a subset lies between 0 and 1 in the strict inequality. Yeah. So now 1 is probability of a, we're talking about probability of a not related to b is simply 1 over 6. And for that matter probability of b is what, 3 by 6. Now we are talking which is 1 by 2. Generally don't convert it to decimal in probabilities. Now we are talking about probability of a given b has occurred. So understand one thing, since b has occurred, so sample space gets reduced to this 1 3 5 from S to this set, and in this we need 5. So now understand one thing, since this got changed, so now we are talking about the occurrence of 5 in this set. So the idea is somewhat like this, that we need a and we know b has occurred. So when we take a intersection b, so it is the common portion and basically of a set and b set, and we need a, if there are extra elements in b, then they will not be considered in this whole set. And basically when we talk about the probability of a, we are talking about probability of a intersection s, the whole set, which is a again. So the same idea here. Now the s becomes b because this gets reduced here basically. So now we talk about in the numerator probability a intersection b, and why probability, not just ratio, because what I will tell you. And then in the denominator we talk about obviously the outcomes of now this. So we are talking about the probability of this. And why probability, because this is the b is in the kind of new sample space s bar b, as b बोल रहा था उसको. Why probability, because both of them, this and this, obviously has the tt same. So in the ratio of these two, that will get cancelled. So that's why we write in the form of probability. So that is the explanation of conditional probability. So now the question, the probability of a given b, suppose a is occurrence of 5 in a diarrhea and b is the probability that is the event of odd occurrence, and since given B, so odd has occurred, so probability of B is odd occurrence, which is 3/6, जो भी निकाल चुके हैं 1/2, and probability of A intersection B is what? A set intersection B set, which is just 5. So again, what is that? Probability of this is 1 over what? Whole sample space, which is again 6. So basically the answer is 1/6 divided by 1/2, which is 2/6, which is 1/3. Now we will continue.